Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing the Keurig K Mini Plus. So we're going to show you guys what it looks like and how it works. So this is what it looks like. Make sure you take off all the tape surrounding it. Inside here is where your K-cup goes. Put that down, latch it. Settings for strong, power. Plug is right in here if you need to access the plug. And here is where you put. Let's see, when you open it, it does stop. And it continues when you close it. Alright guys, so after using it, making 2 cups, there's a little learning curve, but once you learn it versus, so this is our other Keurig. This is the new one. Once you learn it, it's actually nice. You just have to learn it, learn how to actually use it, because it does automatically turn on. So if you have it off and you lift it up, it turns on. Strong mode works great. You know, everything about it, I like it. You know, you just got to learn it. So don't freak out right away. Just learn it, and I think you're going to like it too. Alright my friends, so it's been probably a couple weeks since we got this Keurig machine. I do want to show you guys how it works now that I've officially really been using it every day. And it's pretty simple. You actually don't have to turn it on. When you lift this up, it automatically turns on. And when you set it down like this and you walk away after a period of time, it automatically turns off on its own. So what you do is you have on the side here, I know you guys can't see it that well, but there is minimum and maximum. So that's 12 ounces, 10 ounces, 8 and 4. Or no, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Don't fill it over the 12 ounces. And you just pour the water in here. Once you have the water in here, then you go ahead, lift this up, put your K-cup inside here, press this down, make sure it's sealed, and then you press this. Once you press this, the water's gonna pool and drain into here, and you just simply let it go, have your cup there, and after a couple minutes, it will start pouring out, and you're good to go. If you want it strong, so if you want your coffee to taste stronger, which I highly recommend because my coffee has never been better, I love that. So what I like to do is before you fill this with water, put your K-cup in here, and before you press this button, you just press strong, and then it's highlighted. Guys, I love this so much. At first I wasn't sure, but now I absolutely love it. And if you do want to manually turn it off, you can press the power or press the power to turn it on. So either or.